Assam CM Himanta Sharma took a boat ride to review the flood scenario in Numaligarh. CM Sharma reviewed the area of Kaziranga National Park that falls within the Numaligarh constituency. The review of the flood-hit area was conducted after a crucial embankment collapsed at Bankowal in Mohuramukh, leading to heavy flooding in the forest areas as well as the nearby human habitats. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Sharma took a boat ride to review the flood scenario in Numaligarh, as you can see on your screen. CM Sharma reviewed the area of Kaziranga National Park that falls within the Numaligarh constituency. And the review of the flood-hit area was conducted after a crucial embankment collapsed at Bankowal in Mohuramukh, leading to heavy flooding in the forest areas as well as the nearby human habitats.